Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a while. So next week I was thinking about doing a kind of virtual book talk where you can upload a video of yourself talking about your book. Obviously, if that's not something you're capable of doing, we'll figure something else out. But I figured it'd be good to get, as close to a face-to-face conversation as we can get. So I'm going to kind of model that for you guys today. I'm going to talk about um, kind of just what my independent reading has looked like since this whole digital learning day stuff has started. So as you guys know, I've been reading the Dark Tower series by Stephen King. Not only the main books, but all of the books that are associated with that series. So he writes a lot of the stuff that he writes has kind of like little connections to the series. So I've been trying to read like everything. So I am finally on the last book. I'm on the 7th Dark Tower book. But before that, I found out there were some short stories that were connected to the Dark Tower series. So I started off with a short story from Everything's Eventual. This is 14 short stories collected. One of the short stories in here connects to the Dark Tower series, and then I got to read another short story from Hearts in Atlantis. So the first one was Little Sisters of Eluria, which was good. It focuses on Roland, who's kind of the main character of the Dark Tower series, so that has like a really straightforward connection. And then I read Low Men in Yellow Coats from Hearts in Atlantis, and then I went back to Everything's Eventual to read the short story Everything's Eventual. So the last two short stories, they had connections, but they weren't like super obvious connections. Like you could have read the stories standalone and they would have made sense, but I definitely appreciated them more, I think, since I've been reading the Dark Tower series. So now I'm super pumped. I'm finally on the last book of the Dark Tower series, which is the Dark Tower. So it's been, pretty much almost a year-long process trying to get through not only the 7 main books, but all the books that are connected. So it's kind of all leading up to this. So I'm only about 20 pages in on the Dark Tower right now. I just finished that last short story yesterday. So I'll be kind of keeping you guys updated on this through examples and stuff like that. But that's basically what I'm looking for. Just talk about your process. What have you been reading? Stuff like that. So I'll give more specific directions, but I just wanted to kind of let you guys see my face again. Hopefully I'll be seeing some of your faces soon, and we'll work together. I've been trying to make sure I'm not overloading you guys with stuff. I know it's different, but you guys have been doing awesome. So good to see you again. Keep it up. Let me know if you guys have any questions.